Welcome back to iAutoAgent. Today we are very pleased to show you this 2007 Porsche Cayman S. Really nice shape. This car has just over 29,000 miles. This car's been babied its whole life. Can tell. I will be showing you the few imperfections that are not consistent with 29,000 miles, but there's not much. So let's get a look at these tires. Plenty of good life left on these tires. This is the driver's side rear. That's the passenger side rear. And here's the passenger side front. Like I said, plenty good life left on these tires. So let's take a look inside. Get a shot of this door. In very nice condition. Spotless, really. Really good looking. And this is the driver's seat. Flawless. And you've got the front and rear hatch openings. And also the power adjustments for the seat. Let's get a look at that odometer. 29,133 miles. Full complement of climate controls and radio controls. Cruise, just to be sure. And it is a manual. 6 speeds. 6 forward speeds, that is. Home link. Get a look at the top of the interior. Really nice. Just beautiful. Let's go around and take a look at the passenger side. Get a look at this door. Just excellent. Excellent. And I forgot to mention the Bose sound system. Here is the passenger seat. the middle of the seat. And the dash, very nice. This car just in fantastic condition. And voila. Beautiful back here, no marks from loading or unloading. This carpet looks brand new. Get a shot of the inside of this hatch. Really beautiful. And so let's go take a look at the front. And there is also a button for the front on the key fob. Really nice, really clean. Just looks almost like it's new. Just amazing. CD player access for the changer and navigation. Look at that, beautiful. And this is the only thing I noticed that would really be called an imperfection. This car is indeed beautiful. If you have any questions about this 2007 Porsche Cayman S, please visit us at iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.